This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the monitor's input type, HDMI, DisplayPort, VGA, or DVI, because matching ports avoids adapters and signal loss. Once done, power off and unplug both devices. This prevents shorts and hot plug detection errors. Make sure you have the correct cable and any adapter. A grounded outlet reduces interference. You want a clear workspace so you can access rear ports easily. This speeds the connection and helps avoid bending. Now connect the video cable. Plug one end into the system unit, the other into the monitor, and tighten screws or latch the connector to ensure contact. Loose connections cause flicker. If you need an adapter, attach it to the cable first, then to the port. This preserves signal integrity. Once video is secure, reconnect keyboard, mouse, and audio so you can test input and sound. Then plug both devices into power, but keep them off until you confirm everything is seated correctly. Power the monitor first and select the correct input source. This ensures it listens for the incoming signal. Next, power the system unit. You should see the BIOS or desktop. If the image looks off, adjust resolution and refresh rate in display settings for optimal clarity and to avoid tearing. If nothing appears, try one troubleshooting step. Swap the cable, test a different monitor, or reseat connectors. These quick checks isolate bad cables, ports, or settings so you can fix the issue fast.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.